we are using KVL applications, okay, for finding different current. And in nodal analysis, we are using KCL applications for finding different node voltages. In mesh analysis, which application we are using? KVL or KCL?
KV,
Yes, in mesh,
KVL.
KVL.
KVL. Okay, that you need to remember. So by applying KVL, you will get the different current. Okay. So by applying KVL in the mesh analysis, you will be having different methods for finding these currents. You can directly solve by eliminating the equations or parameters. Okay, by comparing that you already did in mathematics. Just we are comparing two equations. If we need for cancelling the terms, we are multiplying the terms and we are cancelling and we are getting the uh, uh, these parameters. Okay, or you can also use determinant. By making the matrix, you can find a determinant, or you can use Cramer's rules. Okay, so that we will see. In nodal analysis, just we need to apply. We need to identify nodes, how many nodes are given, and we need to apply KVL at particular nodes, and we will get uh, different voltages. Okay, by applying KCL in nodal analysis. Okay, this PPT is visible to everyone.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
wait.
No, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
these are the mesh analysis steps. So what is mesh analysis? So in mesh analysis, we are applying KVL to find unknown currents. Okay. So it is applicable to planar circuits. So planar circuit means a circuit that can be drawn on plane with no branches crossing each other. Okay. So it is called the planar circuit. A mesh is a loop that does not contain any other loop. Okay. So we are just going for the individual loops only. Okay, we are not just finding for the we are not repeating any loop, just we are going for the individual loop, that is called a mesh. Okay, it should not be repetitive. The current through mesh is known as the mesh current. Okay, so this will be just what is mesh current. So you can say this, the current that is flowing in mesh. Okay, that is called the mesh current. Assume for the simplicity that the circuit contains only voltage sources. So a particular network that is given for mesh analysis, so will be having only voltage sources, that you will not having any current source. Okay. So here circuit is given. Okay. How many mesh are given in the circuit?
4.
Okay.
Four.
This I1, this I2, this I3, and this I4. Okay, that is your 4 mesh. You can't repeat this whole network again. Okay. So this is your 4 mesh. Okay. Now I am showing you how many nodes are available, how many branches are available, how many loops are available. So there is one relation for loops. L is equal to B minus N plus 1. So number of nodes that is given by this red circle. Okay, this one node, where two nodes mean two elements are connected together. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this 7 a point or node where two elements are connected. Okay, so elements will be current source, voltage source, then RLC. Okay, so where connected together, that is called node. Number of branches, so that is given 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 branches are given. Number of loops, this I1, I2, I3, I4, so 4 loops. So L equal to B minus N plus 1. So B, that is your 10, minus 7 plus 1. So that is equal to 4. So this is the relation between loops, branch, node. Okay. Anyone having problem for
Sir, can you
identifying?
please?
Yes.
The branches. To identify branches, please.
Okay, branches. So you can see this R1. Okay. This R2. This R7. Okay. This V5. This VS2. This V6. V3. VS1. V8 and R4.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is your 10 branches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this VS2, 10. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, to apply KVL, you need to remember those rules when we are traveling positive to negative, negative to positive, through resistor, in opposite direction through resistor. Okay. Uh, So I am just sharing PDF here. Here the sign conversion is changed here diagonally. So just I am taking you for HUL applying the rules. Then you need to change the sign. Why need to change this sign? Because when we converting into the matrix, so our diagonal should be positive. So that's why we are just changing the sign. So here already sign is changed before after applying. Just I am showing one PDF file, so you'll get the clear idea. Can you see this PDF file?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Now here three loops are given, okay, and the direction of I1, I2, I3 it is given, so that you need to follow these directions. So we are going for this first loop for finding this I1. So we are traveling for negative to positive for E1. So E1 should be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Okay, so
Positive.
when we move negative to positive, so E1 should be positive. So E1 positive. This I1 R1. We are going.
R1 negative.
Yes, we are going through resistor in same direction. So minus I1 R1. Okay. Now here we have one node where two currents are meeting. For R3, we have I1 current as well as I3 current. So for that you need to write. So suppose we are going for I1. So you need to write minus R3 in bracket I1 minus I3. So when two currents are passing through resistor, then for the particular resistance that we are moving through same direction, so that you need to write minus R3 in bracket first current and then other branch current, that is minus. Are you getting? For R3?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, minus I1 R1 minus R3 in bracket I1 minus I3. Same minus R2. Now we have two current. So for the two current, you have to go for this I1 and then I2. So minus R2 in bracket I1 minus I2. Okay. So this is for the first mesh, first loop equal to 0. By interchanging the terms in LHS and RHS, so just we are transferring this IR drop on RHS side, then E1 equal to, now we have we are separating the terms for I1, I2 and I3. So this I1 with R3, this I1 R1 and this I1 R2. So we have three terms for I1. So R1 plus R2 plus R3 into I1 as we have shifted on other sides. This minus I2 R2, this minus I3 R3 equal to E1. Are you getting this equation? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, for second loop, I2, same, this plus E2, negative to positive, then R2, yes, through R2 we have two current, I2 and I1. Now equation is changed. Now we have going through R2. So minus R2 in bracket I2 minus I1. When two currents are flowing through resistor, then for the particular loop current in bracket, that you need to take positive and that is minus other branch current. But outside, when we are going through the resistor, so minus R2 in bracket I2 minus I1. Then for the R5, we have two current, this I2 and I3, same, okay? So minus R5 in bracket I2 minus I3 and minus I2 R4 equal to 0. Now shifting the terms, we have minus I1 R2 plus R2 plus R4 plus R5 into I2 minus R5 into I3 equal to E2 by separating the I1, I2, I3 terms. Okay. And for the third, we have suppose we are starting from this, then what we can write this for this third loop, for the third mesh. This equation is right for third. The direction is given like
No,
this.
sir.
Minus I3 R7 minus R5. We have two current I3 and I2. So minus R5, I3 minus I2. Then again we have two current through R3. So minus R3, I3 minus I1. This minus I3 R6. Okay. This is right or wrong for E3? E3 is taken positive. It should be positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
It should be negative. Yes.
Sir, it is on right hand side.
Yes, it is on right hand side.
So positive will only come. If we take it on left hand side, then negative. Then we
Yeah.
shift towards right, then it is positive, correct?
Yes, good. Okay, so these equations we are getting just in terms of shifting that will become positive to negative. Okay, negative to positive. So this is the equations for mesh analysis. Now to find I1, I2, I3, you can compare the equations and you can eliminate the terms. Okay, so you will get this I1, I2, I3.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
But that upper equation E3 is only positive.
E3 equal to
पॉजिटिव उधर भी पॉजिटिव है तो सामने जाएगा तो भी पॉजिटिव, तो वो रॉन्ग है ना इक्वेशन.
yes. This should be minus E3. This
हाँ,
should be
उधर माइनस आना चाहिए.
yes, this should be minus E3. Okay, so that becomes equal to E3 here in equation 3 downward. Here this is minus E3 minus I3 R7 minus R5 I3 minus I2, because you can see the direction. So here when we come here, then this is the positive and this is the negative end. So it becomes minus E3. Okay, I am repeating this loop. When we are traveling here, so suppose I am starting from here, so it is minus E3 minus I3 R7 minus R5 in bracket I3 minus I2 minus R3 in bracket I3 minus I1, then minus R3 minus I3 R6, okay, is equal to 0. Now shifting the terms, you will get this. But here the minus sign is not given, so this is the printing mistake. Okay, are you getting this?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sometimes,
sir.
sometimes printing mistake
Yes,
is
sir.
given. So here printing mistake is given for the E3. Okay, so that's why I asked. This is yes.
सर वो I3 इधर ही रहेगा, वो सब टर्म उस साइड लीजिए.
What?
E3 इस साइड ही रहेगा, वो बाकी सारी टर्म उस साइड लीजिए इक्वल.
अरे भाई कमे ही ले जा, फेर न पड़े, साइन तो ही नहीं रही है ने.
माइनस E3 नो रही है ने.
પણ બે બાજુ પોઝિટિવ જ છે જો ને.
બે બાજુ પોઝિટિવ છે, પણ E3 ની અન્ય રાખી છે માઇનસ I3 R7 માઇનસ R5 I ઇન બ્રેકેટ I3 માઇનસ I2 બધી ઓલી સાઈડ લીધી.
પણ તો બે છેલ્લે કર ને તો હરકી જ થાય.
Hello, listen. Here, according to what we are applying, so according to that, it should be minus E3. It should be. You can see the direction.
Yes,
If
sir.
this I3 should be in reverse direction, then you can see we are moving negative to positive. Or here, in diagram, here it should be first negative and then up and on downward side it should be positive. So some mistakes given here in the diagram, either in the diagram or either in the equation. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
According to this, suppose in diagram some mistake is given, so that's why this equation is written. Equation is good, but here they just made mistake in the diagram. If upper hand is negative and lower hand is positive, then this equation is correct. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
So yes, printing mistake is there, so that's why just we face this problem. So anyone having doubt for this applying KVL?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now here you can also apply like this. Already here sign is changed by transferring the terms. Already 0 is given, okay, on other side. So here for this I1, I2 and I3, I4 given. So here when we move negative to positive, then here we turn minus. But you can also write the equation like this, and you can also convert the sign, because on other side you have only 0. So I can also write this equation plus Vs2 minus V1 minus V7 plus V5 equal to 0. Can I write this equation like this?
Sir, screen not visible.
Not visible. Okay, wait. Okay, now
Yes.
here
Yes,
you can
sir.
see, here you can see sign is already interchanged in mesh 1, mesh 2, mesh 3, mesh 4. As according to the, okay, just I am using my pointer. Just we have only 5 minutes. Okay, at 9:50 I will end my lecture. You get the
10 minutes left.
okay. 9:42. Time is 9:42. In my
9:45 ચાલુ થવાનું છે ભાઈ.
એવું છે?
Yes,
Okay, so
sir.
I am ending my session here. Okay, so I will continue on tomorrow's lecture. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we'll see you on tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.